Okay guys, big day today. So I'm just in front of my house. Yesterday I met my friend Cab. He has the Mclaren 600 LT Lava Orange. He also has a Ford GT, and literally in 5 minutes he's coming to pick me up a McLaren 600 LT and a Ford GT 06. So big day, you guys. And then we're gonna go do a shoot. We'll do some follows, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll film the roll up. In a million years, I would be picked up in a McLaren 600 LT and a Ford GT. My buddy Cab, I'll put a link to his Instagram in description, picked me up in a Ford GT McLaren 600 LT. How insane is this, you guys? Beauty of this Ford GT. Wow. So we're gonna do some like highway runs. We're gonna do a total photo shoot with it. His buddy's here. Oh my God. Oh, and in a 600 LT. This is insane. Oh my God. Wow.
A lot of fun and intricacies of these cars.
I was just gonna say, you have a Ferrari yourself?
Yeah, I have a Ferrari and an SRT.
Wow, dude, that's sick.
Oh, there we go, sport handling.
Yes.
Better.
So the Ferrari's a lot different from this.
Yeah.
Look at this, you guys. In the rearview mirror, we got a 600 LT and a Ford GT. Wow. I've been in a 720. I've gone for a ride in a 720, but that car is so subdued. What's that? Yeah. Why don't we go right at the lights and then head that way towards like Harborfront?
Just go away.
Okay. Okay, so right at the lights and then... Look at this. Beast. Let's say what's up. Thank you so much, man. This is incredible. Wow.
Go down the mission.
Something's going down there. Okay guys, pulling up to our first spot, do some footage there, and then we're going to switch to the... We are leisurely driving in Mexico. Never would I thought in a million years I'd be going for a ride in a 600 LT and a Ford GT. We're just stopped doing some B-roll, and then we're gonna go do some highway shots. We're with my buddy Cab and Andrew and Eddie. So let's do it, you guys. Oh,
That's my sister. My sister's in Spain. That's my mom at home.
oh, hi.
Is she liking Spain?
Wow, Spain. Wow, my heart just sank. Must be beautiful there. Oh, it's still, you're there though, right? That's amazing.
I met Jared yesterday. He's a phenomenal photographer. So he's taking pictures today.
my first ride in a Ford GT. He's dropped me off where I film. So living out a dream of being dropped off in where I film in Yorkville in a Ford GT. I'm literally almost in tears. What a feeling. Yeah, Ford GT, you guys. Look at this. Look at that wicked supercharger. Oh, boom. So let's do this, you guys. Riding along in a Ford GT. Okay guys, this is my buddy Cab. He's driving that's his McLaren 600 LT. This is his Ford GT. I'll put a link to his page in description. Say hey.
Hey.
He's got the orange shirt and his orange 600 LT in the... 1 second. I'm gonna get the start up. Okay, start up, you guys. Oh. Look at this. Oh, that smell. You can smell the fumes.
Yeah.
Look at you can see the pulley on the supercharger spinning. Wow. This is unreal. Following the 600 LT in a Ford GT. The torque on this thing is insane. Oh yeah, because you can. I think you go.
We can't go.
Why is he going this way? We were going the right way.
Why are we here?
Overexcited, man, but dude, that tops every other Supercar I've been for riding. It kills the performance.
So
oh my!
It's just raw, right?
Yeah. Raw. Look at this 600 LT 4G. Dude. But you're getting a 765 LT.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a shoot right there.
Oh, that's a fun car.
Oh. It sounds like the world's coming to an end. We got some friendlies right there. Listen to that.
stopped at the red because he just came to do the U-turn. I'm like,
So he heard that. Oh, okay. I was wondering. .600 LTs pulling up beside you guys. So we're gonna do a tunnel run.
Put it in sport so you can hear the exhaust better. No, just down here.
Oh my God. Whoa. Yeah, see, the street's better because then you can just, if it's young, yeah, you can
Yeah,
just
we
pull
go straight up here.
And then, yeah, I left into Yorkville. This is unreal. I used to wash like half these buildings, you know that, eh? I was a high-rise window washer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's an adventurous job.
Well, that's how I became disabled too.
Phil?
Yeah, but it wasn't my fault. Oh, there's a
Another
ton. Oh,
It's a
sick.
proper tunnel. Not like you can go too fast.
Yeah, there's a dog. I don't want to scare the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fell 4 stories.
Wow,
Yeah.
man.
That's how my feet shattered. I was in the hospital 9 months. They were gonna amputate my feet.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, so it wasn't like, yeah, it was not a good time. July 4th, 2017. It was all over the news.
Shit.
Yeah. So sick. Look at this, you guys. Going through Dundas Square in a 4 GT. Actually, if you watch the new Drake video, this is where he filmed it or whatever.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. I can't believe I'm in friggin' Dundas Square, the Times Square of Toronto in a 4 GT. It's so sick. Oh, the Four Seasons is? Yeah. Oh yeah, left here. Look at this, you guys, pulling into Yorkville in a 4 GT. Look at the, it's obviously.
I like the lights on that 600.
My buddy Cab is like one of the greatest people on earth. The 600 LT was insane too. So 2 firsts in one day. The tunnel run was insane. First ride in a Mclaren 600 LT and a 4 GT. How insane was today, you guys? Please go to Cab's Instagram and thank him for today. It's all down to him. I just filmed today. So check it out, you guys.